Hey guys, hope you are all safe and well. So if you've been on Instagram lately, you've probably seen this Dalgona coffee. So I've been playing around with it a bit and I wanted to share 4 flavor options with you. So this coffee is really simple to make. I'll put all the measurements in the description box down below. So the first one is vanilla. I'm combining equal parts of coffee, sugar, and water, hot water. I added a little vanilla bean powder, which can also be substituted for vanilla extract. And now the fun part, beating the coffee. So I chose to use a hand mixer. It's a lot quicker, plus I made 4 of these, which is quite a lot to whisk by hand. But if you don't have a hand mixer, you can of course use a regular whisk. And as you whisk, it will start to thicken up and the color will even change to a light brown golden color. So here I have almond milk. I'm adding vanilla extract to it, and then it's time to layer. The second one, which is my personal favorite, is one I made with hot chocolate. So here I am making hot cocoa, and I couldn't resist to add a few drops of vanilla extract. As the cocoa simmers on the stove, I'm going to make the coffee. To the third one, I added a little bit of cinnamon powder to the coffee. Last but not least is some warm and spicy Dalgona coffee. I'm using warm spices such as ginger powder, cloves, and cardamom. You don't need to use a mortar and pestle, but I like how it blends all the spices together. Add it to the milk. So while the milk is heating, I'm going to whisk the coffee. I would like to know whether you've tried this at home or whether you are going to try this and which one was your favorite. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.